Students, this is third part of the video of the chapter number 1, resources and development. The last classification of resource was left in the second part of the video, that was classification of resources on the basis of status of development. In 4 parts, the resources are divided on the basis of status of development, that is potential resources, developed resources, stock and reserves. First of all, we will see the first one, the potential resources. Potential resources are the resources which are found in a region in abundance, but we have not been able to develop them properly and we can use them in future. Solar energy and wind energy in Gujarat and Rajasthan, they are the best examples, but we have not yet started using it due to lack of development of that particular area. Next is developed resources, the resources which are surveyed. Quantity and quality have been determined for the utilization. Let us take an example. We know that how much of coal is there in India. We also know how much iron ore is there in Chota Nagpur Plateau. And of course, this have been done by scientific surveys. And we have an estimation about their quantity and quality, and this is all because of technology. Hence we know how much to use it and how much to preserve it. So these resources are present. We are using them because we have technology to use them. Then come to the next one, that is stock. The resources which can fulfill our needs, but we do not have enough technology to use them. Till now, there is no technology to use these resources. One example is shown here of water, but I will give you one more example, that is lightning during thundering. We do not have technology to preserve this energy. The last one is reserves. They are part or subset of stock which are yet to be put into use. These can be used for making future requirement, like river water can be used for generating hydroelectric power. But till now, their use has been limited. Thank you for watching this video. The next part of this chapter we will continue in our next video.